feature, the AC/DC barrier. Push and hold the square button until you hear the beep. 2 beeps. Okay. Scroll either left or right to BT mode settings. Push the square button to enter to change either simplex, simplex auto, complex, right? Complex mode. For the purpose of this video, we're using complex mode. Push square to enter the feature. Set auto close time 20 seconds. At this feature, you can now set the quick close time we're setting it for 2 seconds. Saved. Scroll to the next feature for the next program feature or exit.